address and his phone number on Facebook. And when I read the violation section of the community standards, it said I am not at any point supposed to. And I had said I agreed to that when I got my Facebook. So please, for no reason. And me, I need, imagine that me, I said this my face. I am only going to go out there to say what is right about this government because I am in opposition. If by some miracle in the next century, because this one the NPP will break the 8, wallahi they will break the 8. If in the next century NDC ever come to power, I will only come and say the wrong things about NDC because I want them to do better than NPP. Let's do that. Kevin Taylor is there. You people believe him. Do NPP. Monshe Dumo did sell NPP apa. Until nobody should come and say bullshit with me. Me say no me no cry na me call domain microphone. Facebook say me twa moja no ma aboa no e show pass me twa aboa no. Muni animal rights ni wan human yo monko kan me say me wo ha ba sisi America so mu fufu. Because the intent with which I was coming today, the truth that I have pounced on, that I don't know how to lie, I adjome, a boo me, and it is stupid to come and please anybody here to show the address for Kevin to get me again, and then the second strike will take my page, and I need my fucking page because I have too much to say. Okay, so I am going to apply by the laws of Facebook because that is what Kevin Taylor is doing. I'm going to pinpoint all the videos that we need to pounce on him and flag. Menkwamiya ebe too obvious say I say me wo hate. Ni hate speech so at the corner can wo tree more you better translate it. Yes, this is the job. This is the job NPP cadres you need to do. You can't just sit and move massage na mu Jimmy phobia bekasa na Marie leaving NDC is a huge plus for NPP for. Na mo NDC for montana ohwe sansanwa no ni found. Let me repeat to you, wonderful ladies. Learn to say the truth to fucking Kevin Taylor. Because that boy is bringing the party down. And it's women like you, people like you, in this tribe. Nah, Marie boy, you know. Marie me, we blocking me permission. I'm using the video. So we bet me I catch no man granting me permission now. You think I am afraid? No, these are the laws of Facebook. We need to practice the laws. You don't have to be a journalist. We need to siphon the system. We need to sieve it. And people vote blindly, stupidly. And Crawford are only chasing views. So guess what? The only thing that will let Kevin Taylor come and say the truth henceforth is for us to get his views minimum word and say infected or say affected with something that will reduce it, not maliciously. Believe me, because Facebook will come and tell you say video now what they buy and assembly and you because we media now they call reply on they buy and they say they don't think that they should go ahead and remove me, but omo mama warning say meaning say obi address we it is supposed to know omu taking it down and me per review and na me see me per review. They are right. I didn't have to post it because for me to counter something Kofa can assembly say and he did this to this man and he he's my and I didn't want to go through all that. After all, I'm not supposed to. Intimate post to and I can't tell her message there ibenya messages. Elias, what better now flex? You should have shut up. You should have shut up. Come in, even though I put I paid to put a notification on it. I saw on the sea, me remember my moon. I put notification says we change your address on my family, the mommy July no. Yet Kevin. Na malamini data that much I'm going nonsense spam messages. So when I followed up after you came and flexed, say yeah, it's your demo, it's your mortgage, abu wanaba. Zima man, does it sound no ena nikabuka or address intasi. Awu brabaya utu no ni na don't worry. Ibenya messages no. Nechi dey to fi America. Ghana neta obi anhu address because system no onduru ho. Yeah. America, they didn't get their independence 65 years fucking ago. Okay? Nti wo me use nyansan. Hwana no onyim dama General, them guy, your friend, Sandy Hook. The Sandy Hook family sued Alex Jones. Then he started moving money around. Why not is our story no? Sandy Hook, as no guy no Jimmy Fono. Or to me back I send Crawford no more boy. Well, somewhere soon no. He's now trying to move his money. Sesi a Kevin tell ohun so be betumi ehun ni fie no we dwane akɔhye baby foforo anfa onu ni din wanfa ni yiri din wanfa ni yiri ni papa din ti se na me di hu se dan ba ko no omo di busuani ba ko bi nsu din but me wo no so Kevin miss mo wa address no says mo bo some bo don't worry you move again I'll come here and say it because I'll keep sharing your info I mean individually. You want to report people's pages cause siat dawo ese there Duncan Williams waka kan waka ya abaze abo kwan dawo ese there abazinsa papa report our page Mr. NPP for stop fighting losing battles because you are already breaking the 8th. You are breaking it. Waka one effort kiti be one called Jimmy Funny page. Do you know why? On na also cause something number out, and it's not people's fault that they are gullible. We were all brought up in default. Into what page you know do Marie yen no. Well do the one papa. What page you know do na share. Ebi o hobe so waye na na kufu ado enim tantantan. We report your culture said they understand that say but way does not apply to it. Oh yes. I have also learned to do it. Kevin, I'm coming on. I waste my time. When you don't see me here, it doesn't mean I'm not doing anything. Okay? Menya